There's a very old looking cockatoo, isn't it? Joined by one galah, now two galahs, now three. Oh, Galahs, lovely. Their beautiful rosy chests. I suppose I haven't made too many Galah films, really. I tend to focus on cockatoos. Hello, pretty. It's snowing on the tablelands today, I think. So it's quite cold where I am. I'm wearing a rug. I'm wearing red too. See? Just like the Galahs. Well, they're wearing carmine, aren't they? Carmine? One lone cockatoo. Looks like an old cockatoo. Looks like he's had a battered life, a hard life. It could be a she, of course. I'm no expert on birds, am I? Tattered. There come more of them. This is life in Australia, where we have lots of Galahs. In Australia, if you call a person a Galah, it means they're a clown. I wonder where the rest of the cockatoos are. I bet you've seen a cockatoo. I know I have. They got startled. But the old cockatoo didn't get startled. Look at that comb. He's seen better days. I wonder how old he is. I think they can live to 100 years in captivity. Aren't they pretty? Aren't they pretty? And they look pretty in trees too. They're so nervous, aren't they? Gussie, Galah and Crispian cockatoo. He doesn't get ruffled, does he? He's seen it all. We're back again. I could do these videos without a commentary, but I like to talk about these beautiful creatures out my front gate. So pretty, aren't they? See ya. I wouldn't want to be a